I keep hearing that true happiness is from devotional service, but material desires and ambitions still look appealing. How can I develop a genuine taste for devotional service so that Krishna can be the center of my life? This is another version of questions that are asked so many times. How can we overcome material desires? Again and again give the answer, same answer. Just keep on going on devotional service. Keep on hearing and chanting. Keep on serving. Keep on trying. Associate with advanced devotees. Follow the process. You'll make advancement. Genuine taste comes after we have crossed all material desires. That may be quite some way into the future. But we have to keep on going. And even if we feel we're struggling, we should keep on going. We can't make proper advancement in devotional service as long as we think that this material world is something for me to enjoy. That idea we should kick out from our minds. The material desires will be there, but at least philosophically we should understand that this material world is not enjoyable. I'm meant for serving Krishna, at least philosophically, and act on that. We can't advance in devotional service while at the same time trying to increase our material position or improve or if we emphasize the material enjoyment. It's like trying to build a fire by pouring petrol on from one side and water from another. We get a lot of smoke, but we don't get a good fire burning.